Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my uncle's garage looking today at the linear belt drive garage door opener. It does have a wall button over there. It does have a switch for the lock, but I'm not gonna do the switch for the lock. It does have a light button. It does have a light button over there in case if you want to turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door. Here is the wall button over there. Now let's open it up. It's very quiet. Very nice and quiet. I don't think I can do an outside viewing because the fence is still there. I'm not sure if she has a garage door opener remote. The wall button is right there. Now let's go ahead and close the garage door, and here we go. Very nice. It's very nice to have this garage door opener when you have like a bedroom placed above the garage. Well, it is nice to have this garage door opener to have it be in your own garage in case if you are worried about children waking up with that sound, or in case if you are worried about other people waking up with the garage door opener opening and closing your garage door if they're above the garage. There's no one else there. That's one of my uncle's dogs. It is nice to have this opener when you have like a two-story house. In case if you got a bedroom placed above this garage, or in case if somebody is trying to do some quieter activities above this garage, or if they're trying to sleep or take a nap or trying to do some homework or any other important stuff that they needed to do quietly, or any other types quiet activities above the garage. But there are no rooms above this garage. Like I said in the other two videos of this opener, this garage is only attached to a one-story house. So, yeah. Well, there are no bedrooms above this garage because this garage is attached to a one-story house. All right, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door again, and here we go. Let me stand closer to the motor. There we go. It is very nice and quiet. All right. Now we'll go ahead and close the garage door, and here we go. Very nice garage door opener. All right, now let's go ahead and operate this garage door opener one more time, and that will be it. Here we go. Very nice. Very nice and quiet. It does pretty good. It does work pretty good. I'm sorry about that, guys. That was my uncle pulling up his Honda Odyssey. Okay, now let's go ahead and do one final close with this opener. And here we go. All right. Yeah, it's very nice to have this opener when you're in a two-story house. Alright, hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.